Okay, so I've just dropped my brand new Hustlers loot kit, which has 25 UK rap melodies. So I've invited my guy LLB to a cabin I'm staying in pretty much the middle of nowhere. So we're just gonna cook up using the kit and hopefully we can make some heat. So I'm thinking I'll just play some and then you tell me which ones you like the sound of. A lot of them like quite dark, synthy, rap vibes.
What's the first one? Like Dre vibes on this one.
Yeah, this one's kind of random. This is that one I was saying, it's like an Eminem type of beat. Running over pedestrians, running over the pedestrians. That'll make a nice UK rap beat.
To be fair, all of them so far, I can hear like different
You can hear drums, yeah. I think it's some kind of synth keys. I think. Or even the background thing. I can't even remember. It's probably something in analog lab. I did a lot of like effects on these ones as well, so I could have added something to like a tremolo or
like
something.
yeah,
maybe.
Or that one. Maybe this one.
Yeah, that could work.
Yeah, got a cool idea for a chop for that.
Yeah? So
Yeah. Just for when the drop hits, and then like keep going for a little few bars, and then it goes back to that for like the bridge.
Nice. How nice a fade is now.
Yeah. And then
so you can like back to the normal one.
Yeah.
Looking for drums.
Yeah. Just get a simple quick bounce going.
Just go to drum kits. Down, yeah, there.
Oh yeah.
And then it is go to cactus kits. Oh, yours might be in there actually if you go to trap. Just something like that.
What AOAs do you use for UK rap?
Spins.
Spins?
Yeah. Was it?
I don't know.
Is that what you said first? I could just like move the kick back, you know, so it's...
Oh, okay.
Like this one?
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing because I've been pressing your control here. I'm like getting back to command now. Heard of the Defiant drum fill kit?
No, what's that? Maybe we should go through.
That bit sounded alright, you know, like...
What about take the 2 hits in that last hit and just cut the rest out? Oh, that last bit there.
Yeah,
just
that sounded alright.
Yeah, just so kind of nice. Maybe just a little bit at the end. We'll try something.
Yeah. Just want to see it. I'm just thinking for this little build up, could either have that as like the hook, or just keep building it up like this. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I got it.
But then see what the drums sound like in this section. So I'm thinking I could either like save that section for there, you know, so it's like a full hook.
I got you, yeah.
And then repeat this one.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
Maybe
because it's like too much changing in
Yeah.
just that big full bit as well. What about like just a smoother,
Yeah. Read your mind.
yeah.
That's not bad.
That's it.
Switch up of hats.
At some point, yeah.
Have you got any hat midis in your packs? Speed it up.
I've got
What kit would it be?
Ethereum kit.
Oh, okay. Something like
I'll
fast.
Because it's all minor in like the trap tempo. It's like 120,
okay.
so it's going to be dead slow.
Get a bounce that's right, and then just double up the notes, like some of them. could just add like, or maybe I could do that and just move it. Alright, we'll give it a final listen. Every time. Yeah, I like the chop you've done. It sounds hard.
It's like on one note.
So yeah, if you're feeling the loop kit, make sure you click the link in the description. And if you want to see me cook up more UK rap, click up here. And if you want to see me make Indian drill, click up here.